Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry and I like to buy stuff and you found Terry Buys Stuff. Hey, if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified of more shopping fun that happens here on this channel. And today we're going to be talking about one of those items. I really feel like these star projectors are it's the gift of 2020 and it's going to be the gift of 2021 because it's all the rage. Everybody wants their ceiling to be lit up like, you know, the stars, and this time I'm going to bring you the moon. And, you know, it's just it's an ambience thing. And we're in our homes. We're trying to make our homes cooler. We're trying to make our homes more fun because we're really doing a lot in the house. So when we look at this is a new one called the Starry Sky Projector. This one's a little different. We've got multiple modes. It even has a speaker. It's super quiet and it moves to the beats of music. So let's unbox this thing and check this out and see what comes in the box. So let's open her up and you get the first look. Packaging. But let's take a look here. I have a user manual and I have the actual projector. So on the box, it says YaChance is the actual brand. I got this off Amazon.com. And as we see here, we've got kind of the lens, and we're gonna have the laser lights come out of it. It looks like we've got a couple different modes, built-in stand that we can position it. So that's pretty cool. We also have a remote control. There are a lot of buttons on this remote control. So I'm going to show you a close-up of that and we can take a look at that. And then of course it comes with its own power source and cord. So we're going to take this out so we can get her plugged in and you can see all the magic. Okay, so we got her plugged in and we're talking about the different ways that this can project. Well, here's another way. Just set it down. So we've got 4 different ways that we're going to be able to do this. Now, the cool thing on this is that there's actually 7 different modes. 7 color combined and 5 light projected effects. So let's fire her up. I'm probably going to need my cell phone because guess what, guys? There is a speaker built into it. So we've got, you know, pretty much what we got everything in here in the light, but this is extra that has a speaker. So I'm curious if it'll sound, you know, like a quality that I want to use. And when you use the sound, it's supposed to like move with the sound. So let's fire her up away from me. So I see my power button here. Let's just, oh, wow. Oh. We've already got, I see the moon, and we've got lasers, and I see a nebula. Of course, we're going to take this in the dark so you can see it as well. There is so many things on this remote control. I've got a red cloud, a moon switch, volume up and down, green cloud, blue cloud, decrease volume, increase speed, cloud changing pattern. I also got the brightness, full strength, middle, and then completely reduced. I know some people, they say the laser's just too much for them. And you'll be able to adjust that as so. But as you can see here, I really like the fact that there's a moon. Now, we should probably like maybe turn it. Maybe you can see the moon way down here. But here, let's try to move this over to the side so you can see it. But just kind of going through, like here I'm pressing the green button and we can see different colors. And like I said, I'm going to take this in a completely dark room. Now I'm pressing the blue and I'm cycling through colors. I can speed up or decrease my speed of movement. Like here, I've just stopped it. I just don't want it to move. I want it to be static. I actually like it when it moves, so I'll turn the speed back up. Got my different brightness levels. Medium, low, And we're gonna take this hole for a spin. There's even modes, mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 1 changes the cloud pattern and the brightness increases, and mode 2 changes the stars' positions. So you kind of see we had a flicker there, and now they pulse in and out. That's really cool. So I turned it off. I'm gonna turn it back on, and you're gonna hopefully hear these little beeps. There it is. Now I'm scanning my Bluetooth, and I do see an item called Projector in here, and it says it's going into pairing mode. So let's see if I can pair this to my phone, and we can play a little royalty-free music. There it is. Okay, we are paired. So guys, I'm gonna pull up epidemicsound.com. That is where I get all my music for YouTube, and I'm licensed over there. So let's pick a cool song that we can play through the speaker. Okay, so I've loaded up some music from Epidemic Sound, some space here, and I'm listening to it through the speaker. It's not bad. I mean, you know what? Now knowing that it's paired to my phone, you know what I would use this for? My Calm app is in here. I would have this amazing space and listen to my sleep stories, listen to, oh my gosh, just, you know, a meditation. I mean, that is pretty cool that the speaker's right there. And it doesn't sound that bad. Now, going super loud, it can go louder. So let's look at it too. I should be able to control the volume on my remote control here. So I'm going to turn it down. Ah, that's so cool. Okay, so now I'm in bed. I got my calm music or my sleep story or whatever, and I'm like, oh, it's a little too loud. Okay, just turn her down. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Okay, so that's worth the price of admission alone now. I'm pretty excited about that. So let me pause my Mars Adventure, and I'll have the link to that song below. But this is really cool. All right, we have to take it for a test drive at night. I do want to give a disclaimer. Sometimes when you're filming lasers and projectors like this, the colors vary. And this is the one thing though, look, right on the box, it shows all the different colors. You're going to be able to pull off pink, green, purple, blue, orangey, kind of red. There's multiple modes on this. So I have super high hopes. And as we think about products like this, I want to remind you that the space you cover is determined by how far the light has to travel, right? If you're in a small bedroom, it's going to cover your ceiling. If you're in a very large living room, like let's say for instance, you know, it's going to, just because there's more distance, it's going to cover a wider area. So I'm going to go in the dark. We are going to film this for you. I think it's going to be cool. I haven't seen it big and spread out. So let's do that now, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Such a cool feature to check out that moon. Oh, that is so awesome. And we're just going to go ahead and cycle through some colors. That's a beautiful purple, pink, and I mean a hint of red. I want you guys to notice too, every once in a while there's a shooting star, and some of the stars actually have a starburst effect. This is more of a white and orange. And we're back to that pink. Did you see the shooting star? Orange and green, kind of a white, orange, and blue. I can actually shut the moon off. So this is the awesome part, is that you can have just the nebula if that's what you choose. You can change the colors. It is so cool. Right now I have this about 6 feet away from my ceiling. It's covering at least a 10 by 10 foot space. Now I want to bring back that moon, and I want to bring back those stars. It's so soothing. I'm going to go through mode 1 and 2 for you right now. Here's mode 1. Here's mode 2. I love the shooting star effects. So guys, I just put on a little bit of higher beat music, and you can see it's working with the beat of the music. So that's pretty cool. Here's what it looks like, guys, when you kick on that voice mode. Oh my gosh, it makes the party so cool. All right, guys, I'm back. Got my cell phone because I was controlling that music for you. Got the remote control. I want to show you the coolest part. This does not come with it. I can put a link below that you can find one of these for yourself. I have this battery pack, and we're running off the battery pack. So that is what I absolutely love about this. If I want to take it with me, if I go on a little camping trip, maybe, you know, I can take this with me, enjoy it in my camper, my tent. If I want to take it to a hotel, like say I'm doing a conference and I just want to relax, or I want to take it outside under my pergola and just enjoy the air, enjoy the ambiance outside. That little speaker will allow me to use any one of my apps. You know, if I just want to kick back and listen to an Audible, how cool is that? I can listen right through there. And then of course, I can have my starry night, my moon, my shooting stars, multiple modes. It has timers. It has, I mean, just looking at the different colors, nightlight, timers, music, meditation, ambience. And of course, guys, as I always say with anything type of product like this, don't look into it and try not to let your pets look at it either. It is a laser. But you can see it's just really well built. I love this functionality of being able to set it all the different ways. And you know what? Another cool thing is my cats love these lasers. So if you heard any kind of weird rumblings while I was filming kind of the whole thing for you, I had cats, 3 cats looking around like, what's that? It's so fun. They love it. We love it. This, I think, the YaChance is the brand. Link will be below. This will be your new Starry Night Projector. I gotta pull it out, guys. It's the Terry Buys Stuff. Big thumbs up for you creating a mood, an ambiance, and a whole vibe. Man, this will make your house a cool house, just like it's making the stuff house pretty cool right now. So as always, guys, I appreciate you being here. If you could, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and then that way you'll be notified of more shopping fun that happens on this channel and be able to find out about more cool products like this. I will have the Amazon link below, and you can get one for yourself in your home like that. As always, I appreciate you and I love you. Thanks for being here, guys. Till next time, happy shopping. Bye.